Hello everybody. We are going to do another playing with drawing, and this week I have these images, most of which will be over on Patreon, and my daughter and son-in-law have this beautiful tree in front of their house that's very old and weathered and crooked and twisty branches here and there, and every spring it comes out with these bright, nearly hot pink blooms. And so we're gonna do something inspired by that. I have a few pictures of the tree, and we're gonna do something inspired by that. So anyway, it's just absolutely gorgeous. They are getting ready to put their house on the market and sell their house. So I'm gonna sort of capture this while I can. I'm using the dark sepia brush pen from Faber-Castell. For the branches. And kind of glad I've had my morning coffee because my hands are a little shaky, but that means that my branches will be crooked and twisty, which is how they are in real life. So I'm all right with that. And I'm gonna write, let's see. That just seems appropriate to me. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of a finer point pen. And I want to add some texture. It's a similar color brown pen, but this is a Unipin fine liner. Okay, now we're gonna take our water brush and our watercolor paints, and I need a really bright pink. Let's see, will that work? Actually, that will work. Okay. It's a little bit more red than that picture is in real life, but that's okay. I'm having one of those mornings. I'm recovering from a cold, a horrible head cold, and I don't want to mix paint. I'm just, I want to create something fun and pretty, and I don't want to have to be too fussy with it. As usual, you can see I didn't erase my pencil lines. I'm not striving for perfection. I want something sort of abstracted and arty. And yes, the tree does kind of remind me of a cherry blossom tree, but it's not a cherry blossom tree. We have those here in Portland, and that's not what this is. I'm going to add a little bit of green because there is a little bit of green on the tree. Helps if it actually looks green and doesn't just look brown. There we go. Spread out some of the green that's on my paintbrush and also some of the ink from the Faber-Castell pen. And there we have it. I like that. Quick, easy, to the point, not complicated, and yet fun to make. So that's it. The pictures that I have that I can share, some of them show the kids' house. I won't be sharing those, but the ones I can share will be over on Patreon with a link to this video. And if you want copies of the photos to use however you wish, you are more than welcome. I would ask you to tag me in a post of whatever you use them in or make from them, so I can see what you're doing and see what you're up to and like it and all of that stuff. Yeah, so anyway, I appreciate all of your support here on the YouTube channel, and please like, share, and subscribe, and go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.